Imagine looking at your bank account one morning and seeing $10,000 sitting there, money you saved. Not a loan, not a gift. Sounds incredible, right? Most people think that number is out of reach, but it's way closer than you've been told. Today we're diving into the secret behind saving your first $10,000. A milestone that can change the way you see money, freedom, and your future. Whether you're hustling at a 9-to-5, working weekends, or just trying to get a handle on your cash flow, this video is your roadmap to making that number real. Saving your first $10,000 isn't just about math, it's about momentum. Think about how training for your first 5K run feels. It's not about speed. It's about showing up every day. That's how saving works too. You're building a muscle, and the first $10,000 is the warm-up lap. The first secret is to pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, grab coffee, or buy concert tickets, set aside a piece of your paycheck. Even if it's just $50 or $100 a week, automate it so it's gone before you see it. Next, cut the silent expenses. The fastest way to hit $10,000 isn't by skipping lattes, it's by finding the big leaks. Streaming services you forgot about. Gym memberships you never use. That $200 car insurance overcharge you've been ignoring. Every dollar you stop wasting is a dollar that speeds you toward freedom. Then, grow your income. Eventually, you don't have to land a new career to boost your savings. Flip old stuff on Facebook Marketplace, take on a small freelance project, or negotiate a tiny raise at work. In American culture, side hustles are the secret weapon, and even $200 extra a month turns into $2,400 a year toward your goal. Here's how you can start today. Open a dedicated account just for your $10,000 goal, so you're not tempted to dip into it. Set up automatic transfers right after payday. Use a free app or a simple spreadsheet to track your progress and celebrate mini-milestones like $1,000, $2,500, or $5,000 to keep yourself pumped. Picture this. You're at a car dealership, your transmission just failed, or your friend invites you on a last-minute trip. Instead of panic or credit card debt, you've got options. That $10,000 is your peace of mind fund. You're not just saving money, you're buying freedom, flexibility, and confidence. Life throws curveballs, medical bills, car repairs, family emergencies. Don't let a setback break your streak. Adjust the amount you're saving, even if it's $10 a week. Consistency beats perfection every time. If this inspired you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more weekly motivation, and drop a comment sharing your biggest savings goal. I read every single one. Your first $10,000 isn't just a number. It's proof you can take control of your life. Once you do it, you'll never see money the same way again. Start today. Your future self will thank you.